Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to show touches in screen recording on iPhone devices. So as you see, I already have my iPhone in hand, and first thing that you need to do, just click the settings tab. Scroll down a bit to the accessibility tab. Then it will load, just go to the touch and click assistive touch, and then a menu will pop up, and then all you need to do, just customize top level menu, and then click example maybe against the Siri for scroll down a bit till you will see for the tab option, then press the tab option, click done, and then you need to click the tab option, and then you will see all your movements while tapping it. Let me enable it again to show you, and as you will see, you already been going to see on the screen recording. That's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.